Yo, what's going on, guys? This is DragsterTV here, back at it again. We are currently in the town that is an hour away. Here we are. We are at the Harbor Freight, about to go in. I'm about to purchase myself my Predator 212 for $120, but we have a coupon which takes off the $20, but we still get the Hemi, because the non-Hemi 212s and there's Hemi 212s and Hemi 420s. I'm buying a Hemi 212, and they are $120 US. And the non-Hemis are just $100. But we're gonna get a coupon, so I still get the Hemi, but for the price of the non-Hemi. So we're about to run in, and yeah, I cannot show my face, otherwise I would be right now. I'm not missing out on much. But yeah, comments would be turned off if I did. So today's vlog will just be, well, this might just be part one of the vlog, and I'll edit in the next part. But we are here at Harbor Freight, and I'll catch you guys with my 212. Here it is, guys. I will be coming home with this. They actually were out of stock because they sold out. I just got the truck in yesterday, and then they already sold out. But I called 2 hours ago, reserved one, so the last one that's left is for me, right over there. Alright, we are now out of Harbor Freight. There it is. We got her, boys. See you guys when we get home. Alright, guys, so we've just gone ahead and made it home with the 212. I have it held up where it's going to be, but it's actually going to be like down here, I'd say. Alright, this is what it looks like right now. We're going to go ahead and actually unbox this. Alright, guys, we're going to unbox this and then just start it up. We're going to pour some oil into it, as well as some gasoline, of course, and give her a start. Here's everything that is on the box. Slide it out here. That is the mounting plate that I'm going to need to purchase. Here's all the specifications. And the same thing is on the back side. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil and gasoline in this after I unbox it, and then give you guys a quick startup so there's more content to this video. By the way, guys, something that we did end up doing was with this hole, welded up this giant crack that was here so that we can put in the bolt right here when we get to mounting up the roll cage. So yeah, I'll catch you guys as soon as this is unboxed. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this real quick for you guys. Probably not the best idea to do it with one hand, so I'm going to set that down right there. Alrighty, guys. So this is what comes in the box. I got that. And it's all good. And you got the motor. So this is what the motor looks like, as you guys can see. So once again, we are just going to go ahead and put this up here. So, it says, before use, fill gas here, obviously, gas cap. I already know all this stuff. Add engine oil below, right there. And, yes, that's all you need. And then we got the on and on switch. It's just a full start, so, what's this right here? Yep, quick start guide. Okay, then we take a better look, and right here, I forget what this is, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so as the unboxing, here's the muffler and the airbox. So I'm going to get aftermarket straight pipe exhaust, and so yeah, this motor's going to be flipped around. This is just how I set it up right now. And we're gonna have a aftermarket air box, and yeah, we're gonna figure it out here. We're gonna see how this is going to look. That should be pretty cool, guys. Here it is, and then the next vlog. This will have paint. All this will be cut off. And, well, you guys will see some major progress in the next episode of this, or the next progress video of this thing. And, yeah. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I do not think we're going to start it up. But yeah, and with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure I have an amazing rest of your guys' day or night. And with that, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.